Welcome to our guide on how to supercharge your execution skills and unlock your full potential. Whether you're a student, professional, or entrepreneur, improving your execution abilities can significantly enhance your productivity and success. Let's dive in. The first step in supercharging your execution skills is setting clear and specific goals. Define what you want to achieve and break it down into smaller, actionable steps. Clear goals provide focus and direction, making it easier to execute your plans effectively. Effective execution requires prioritization. Identify the most important tasks or activities that align with your goals. Focus your energy and resources on these high-priority items, ensuring that you're investing your time and effort where it matters most. Develop a well-structured plan to guide your execution process. Break down your goals into actionable tasks and establish a timeline. A clear plan helps you stay organized, tracks progress, and ensures that you're consistently moving forward. Time management is crucial for supercharging your execution skills. Prioritize your tasks, allocate specific time blocks for each activity, and minimize distractions. Use productivity techniques like the Pomodoro technique or time blocking to optimize your productivity. Identify your strengths and leverage them to your advantage. Focus on tasks that align with your skills and abilities, allowing you to execute them more efficiently and effectively. Delegate or outsource tasks that fall outside your expertise to free up time and energy. Large tasks can feel overwhelming and hinder execution. Break them down into smaller, more manageable steps. By tackling each step individually, you'll experience a sense of progress and momentum, making the task less daunting and more achievable. Develop discipline and consistency. Discipline and consistency are essential for supercharging your execution skills. Develop a routine that supports your goals and stick to them. Build healthy habits and commit to following through on your plans, even when motivation wavers. Surround yourself with a supportive network of individuals who encourage and motivate you. Seek mentors, join mastermind groups, or connect with like-minded individuals who can provide guidance and accountability. A strong support system can propel your execution skills to new heights. Never stop learning and improving. Stay curious, seek knowledge, and invest in personal and professional development. Constantly expanding your skills and knowledge equips you with the tools needed to execute tasks more effectively. Execution often requires adapting to unforeseen circumstances or changing environments. Cultivate flexibility and adaptability in your approach. Be open to new ideas, adjust your plans when necessary, and embrace challenges as opportunities for growth. Regularly track and evaluate your progress. Monitor your accomplishments, identify areas for improvement, and celebrate milestones along the way. Tracking your progress helps maintain motivation and allows you to make necessary adjustments to stay on course. Setbacks and failures are a part of the journey. Embrace them as learning experiences and stay resilient. Develop a growth mindset that views obstacles as opportunities to learn, adapt, and ultimately improve your execution skills. And that concludes our guide on supercharging your execution skills. By setting clear goals, prioritizing effectively, managing time, leveraging strengths, and staying disciplined, you can unlock your full potential and achieve remarkable results. Thank you for joining us, and next time, go out and execute with confidence.